All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol KODK, Eastman Kodak Co. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all my subscribers, welcome back. Let's jump into this chart. So, Eastman Kodak Co. had a run from $6.20 earlier last week till now. It hit highs of about 11 and some change. It dipped and it reached new highs here of 1250. So 1250 is the most important number right now and resistance level for the bulls to hit newer highs and reach new resistance levels and pull themselves further away from the 50-day moving average. But as of right now, the bears tore that down. Bulls try to reappear and they tore it down to newer lows. So let's zoom in and move our support level since it got broken through slightly to their new positions, getting it further away from the 50-day moving average, and our resistance level has slightly fallen. So very important right now is where the 50-day moving average is. And the 50-day moving average is 1057. It is slightly below the resistance level and above the closing price. So we closed out at 980. 1057 is so important, so write that down. As long as we're below it, since we did close below it at 980, we are in bearish territory. The moment we cross it, the bulls are starting to gain control, but they won't gain control until they make a support level of their first resistance level, and that's 1083. They need to break through 1083 and turn that into support so they can start to pull themselves up further away from the 50-day moving average and break through new resistance levels and newer highs. If the bulls can accomplish that, they've accomplished two things. They broke through the 50-day moving average and the first level of resistance, turned it into support, and they can start to work their way up into bullish territory and create new support levels by breaking through new resistance levels. So very important for the bulls to break through 1083 so that they can build momentum and get deeper into bullish territory in an upward direction. Now, on the other hand, we have what the bears want. And the bears right now are dominating this. It's below the 50-day moving average. And the bears are going to want to break through support. And support is 973. If 973 gets broken through, this will test newer lows. And yesterday's low was actually down here at 929. So that's a very important other number to keep in mind. So if 973 gets broken through, 929 is the next support level that will actually tell you which direction this is going and how deeper is it getting into bearish territory and how further is it moving away from the 50-day moving average. So I want to emphasize how important it is to pay close attention to 973, but the next support level is just as important at 929. That means that the bears have accomplished breaking through two support levels and getting further away from the 50-day moving average. And this will test newer lows and new support levels. So very important. I want to emphasize how important it is just to zoom in and keep an eye on 973 on to see how this is reacting. How quickly is it moving to newer lows, or is it kind of just hanging out there and on the bulls reappearing to bring this one back up closer to the 50-day moving average, which is their main goal right now, 1057, to get back into bullish territory? Or are the bears letting the bulls reappear and then tearing them down even further to newer lows and new support levels? So this is going to be one to pay close attention to tomorrow. The tug of war is going to be very interesting. We'll see how it plays out. And as always, if you feel encouraged or inclined to subscribe, please do so. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And don't forget to click on the bell by turning on all notifications so that you guys don't miss a single video that I post. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.